What did you like best about working with Chris Williams and the Go Getter team?
Well, the greatest thing I always enjoyed working with Chris and the team is the support provided to me every step of the way. Chris is more of a guide and a mentor than just another real estate agent. That's what I really love about Chris. And he is very tireless. I mean, there are times I'd have called him later in the night or early in the morning. There's no restrictions, and he never gets frustrated. He's always there to answer my call and answer my questions and concerns. He is really a shoulder to fall on anytime I need support. So that's what I always love about Keller Williams and Chris.
Would you recommend Chris Williams and the Go Getter team to your friends and family? And if so, why?
Absolutely, I would recommend Chris and his team to friends, family, anybody that I know, and which I've done actually in the past quite a few times. And it's simply because of the confidence I have about Chris and the integrity that he showed to me. I know he's going to take care of either family or friends as good as he takes care of me, and that's a experience that I've gained from Chris, and I feel confident that he's not going to misguide anybody. He would rather be a great person to work with. So I'll never have any hesitance to recommend.